Welcome back to Teknobalta. Today, we are diving deep into a high-level technical analysis of a common but frustrating issue involving the RX 6800 series GPU. We at Teknobalta analyzed this specific case, where a user experiences a permanent black screen when performing an Alt-Tab maneuver while playing Valorant in a 4:3 aspect ratio. Even after performing a clean driver installation using DDU, the problem persists. This indicates the root cause is not just a driver corruption, but a display handshake failure. When you switch from a 4:3 stretched resolution back to your native 16:9 desktop, the GPU and the monitor must renegotiate the signal timing. On AMD RDNA 2 architecture, this process can hang due to a feature called MPO, or multiplane overlay. Step 1 in our Teknobalta protocol is disabling MPO. This is a Windows feature that often conflicts with AMD drivers during resolution scaling. We recommend using the official NVIDIA MPO tool, which works perfectly for AMD systems as well, to disable this registry entry safely. Once MPO is disabled, restart your OS. This often resolves the black screen hang immediately by simplifying the frame buffer delivery. Now, let us move to the AMD Adrenalin software settings. Open your GPU control panel and navigate to the Gaming tab, then Display. Look for the option labeled GPU Scaling. We at Teknobalta suggest enabling this. By enabling GPU scaling, the graphics card handles the resolution stretching instead of the monitor's built-in scaler. This prevents the monitor from losing the signal sync when you Alt-Tab, as the output resolution sent to the monitor remains constant. Next, set the scaling mode to full panel. This ensures your 4:3 resolution fills the screen without causing a hardware-level handshake loop. We must also address the refresh rate. Ensure your desktop refresh rate in Windows settings matches your in-game refresh rate exactly. If your desktop is at 144 Hz, but your game tries to force 143.9 Hz, the RX 6800 might trigger a protection black screen. Another critical step is disabling full-screen optimizations for the Valorant executable. Navigate to the game's installation folder, right-click the shipping.exe, go to Properties, and check Disable Full-Screen Optimizations. This forces Windows to stop trying to manage the transition between the game and the desktop, giving full control back to the AMD driver. If the issue persists, we at Teknobalta recommend checking your HDMI or DisplayPort cable. High bandwidth transitions in 4:3 stretched modes can fail if the cable is not VESA certified or is failing to maintain the link speed. For advanced users, we suggest using CRU or Custom Resolution Utility to delete all unnecessary extension blocks from your monitor's EDID. This forces the GPU to only see the resolutions you actually use, preventing the driver from getting lost during an Alt-Tab event. Finally, ensure that AMD Instant Replay is turned off during your testing phase. Sometimes the background recording buffer fails to resize when the resolution changes, leading to a system hang. In summary, disable MPO, enable GPU scaling, match your refresh rates, and disable full-screen optimizations. These steps combined will stabilize the RX 6800 and allow for seamless alt-tabbing in Valorant. We at Teknobalta are confident this technical path will resolve your display issues. Don't forget to follow Teknobalta for more professional hardware troubleshooting and deep dives. Stay technical, stay optimized. See you in the next analysis.